Now we'll learn about drawing a circle with respect to 3 points. Suppose we have 3 points like here 1 point, here another, and here another. And we need a circle to cover or will intersect that 3 point with its perimeter. So now how we can do that actually? To do that, I'll click here, or after clicking here, I'll click 3 point, that option. Otherwise, escape. I'll press C and then I'll press enter. So after that, you have to click here 3P, or you have to write here 3P and then enter, and our that option have been activated for 3P. Just see here that option are activated. Now what I'll do, I'll click first point, then I'll click second point, and I'll click our third point. Just see, in this way we are able to draw any kinds of circle with respect to 3 point. And again, if we want to draw same circle with 3 point, then simply click enter to activate your previous command, and from here you have to click for that option 3 point. Otherwise you have to write 3P. So I'm clicking here 3P for 3 point, and if I want to draw a circle with that 3 points, so I'll click here, I'll click here, and I'll click here. Just see, in this way we are able to create any circle with this advanced option.